Hello, I'm teacher Kelly, as many of you already know, and I am a mentor, recruiter, and/or interviewer for a number of online ESL companies, and I love helping teachers get started in the industry. If you're looking for a company, I have tons of links below, as well as my contact information. So definitely get to clicking, contact me, and let's get you started. Also, click subscribe to keep up with all of my content. I'm constantly putting up new things to help new aspiring current teachers in this industry. So again, click subscribe. Okay, so if you haven't already figured out by the attire and the decorations, today's video is all about magic ears. And I am just so excited for this video because Magic Ears now not only hires from the US and Canada, but they've expanded to include the United Kingdom, Ireland, South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand teachers as well. So if you hold one of those passports, you can now apply to Magic Ears. So what I'm doing today is a example or walkthrough for the first demo in the Magic Ears hiring process. They lovingly call it the mini demo. For this demo, it is held on the Magic Ears platform, and essentially you complete your application online as normal. If you pass, you are immediately bumped on to that next step of doing your mini demo. You have two options for it. You can choose to do a live demo, in which case you will have an interviewer present, and the other option is to do a recorded demo. They are essentially the same. They're both on the platform, same material, same kind of deal. The only difference is whether you want a live person there with you or not. Obviously, live interview, you have an interviewer to interact with pretending to be your student. In the recorded option, you have to pretend that there's a virtual student there. For my example, I've done the recorded version and I've just pretended that I have a lovely student named Sally in my class. Okay, so either one is perfectly fine. You can do it either way. But ultimately, with Magic Ears, you need to remember a few things. So first of all, you'll notice in the example and on the platform, there's a lot of stuff going on. So there's lots of different tools to learn. You can move cameras around, and there's lots of interactive components happening. So really take the time to get to know the platform so that you look competent using it during your demo and throughout the rest of the hiring process. So that's the first thing. The second thing is what Magic Ears loves to see is your passion and love of teaching. So remember, no matter which demo you choose to do, bring the energy, bring the enthusiasm, show them that you are super pumped to be working for Magic Ears. Okay. Now we'll give a little bit of a disclaimer to my example here. What I've done is I haven't really paid much attention to the clock when I did this. You'll see on the demo, you have 17 slides that will automatically load for you. The actual demo itself does not start until slide number 3. The first slide gives you a bit of instruction. The second slide is an example. And then the demo will run from slide 3 to slide 16, which is quite a few slides. You'll see on the first slide, they are expecting you to do a 5 to 8 minute demo. For this, I went about 13 minutes and I just went ahead and taught you the whole thing, just to give you an idea of some of the techniques that I use for teaching this kind of material. I figured the more you have to look at and observe, the more you can take and bring into your own classroom. Another key point I just want to mention before we dive in, definitely bring your props. Magic Ears likes to see at least 2 props for every class. So bring those props, bring your prop game to your demo. You'll see that I used tons of different things for the demo. And one more thing in terms of rewards, since we're talking props, Magic Ears you'll see in the platform gives trophies. So what I did in my example is I have a trophy that I use, and normally I show that as I'm clicking the trophy reward. So I use that in my example, so that's where the trophy comes from, just as a little bit of a background. Okay, that was a lot of me talking. Sorry. Okay, so super excited again to welcome all of our new teachers that will hopefully be joining Magic Ears. Again, if you're from the UK, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Ireland, welcome! Super excited to start getting your applications in. If you want me as your mentor for Magic Ears, my link is below. Just shoot me an email and I will walk you through the process from A to Z and beyond. I am finally going to shut up now. So without further ado, here is my example of the Magic Ears mini demo. Hello, my name is Teacher Kelly. Hello, what is your name? Sally. Hi, Sally. My name is Sally. Yes, very good, Sally. Sally, are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Okay, Sally, look. Let's sing and dance. Here we go.
All right, everyone, let's get happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Yes, Sally, are you happy? Yes, me too. Okay, Sally, let's look. Oh. M. Good. Oh. Moon. Yes, very good. Oh. N. Good, very good. Ooh. Nurse. Very good. Well done. Trophy. Woohoo! Okay, Sally, let's keep going. Oh. Ooh, let's read together. Big M. Good. Big M. Yes, good. Okay. Little M. Good. Little M. Good. Moon. Moon. Yes, very good, Sally. Awesome work. Let's practice some more M's. Look at Bonnie. Let's look. Pew! Pew, pew, pew! Sally, let's trace. Big M. Good, very good. Okay, let's look at Bonnie. Look. Pew, pew, pew. Let's trace. Pew. Good, very good. Small M. Good. Big M, small m. Yes, high five, Sally. Pew, pew. Very good. Let's see more M's. Oh, let's read together. Big M. Good. Small m. Good, very good. Mm, mm, moon. Good. Moon. Yes, very good. Sally, let's do a sentence. M is for moon. M is for moon. Good. Let's go loud. M is for moon. Yes, well done. Trophy. Woohoo! Okay. Sally, let's look at some more. Oh, what can we find? Hmm. Oh, Sally, what is it? Yes, good. Moon. Good. Let's do 3. Moon, moon, moon. Yes, very good. Well done, Sally. You are doing great. Okay, let's keep going. Let's listen.
Moon.
Okay, let's chant together. Moon. Again. Moon. Sally, what is it? Yes, amazing. More trophies. Woohoo! You are doing great. Okay, whew. Let's look. Oh, let's read. Big N. Big N. Good, very good. Okay. Little n. Little n. Good. Big N, little n. Yes, good. Oh, nurse. Good. Nurse, nurse. Yes, very good. Well done. You are doing great. Awesome work. Let's see more N's. Okay, let's read together. First, big N. Small n. Good, very good. N, nurse. Good. Okay, let's do a sentence. N is for nurse. Good. N is for nurse. Yes, amazing. More trophies for Sally. Awesome work. You are doing great. Okay, we have more letters. Let's play. Let's see. What is it? Nurse. Very good. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Amazing. Great work, Sally. Awesome. Okay, let's keep going. Say hi, Bonnie. Okay, let's play. Oh. Sally, where are the M's? Let's draw. Yes, let's draw. Oh, yes, good. Big M, small m. Amazing. Okay, Sally, where is the moon? Draw. Pew. Yes, very good. Okay. Where are the N's? Yes, big N, small n. Good, very good. Okay, one more. Where's the nurse? Yes, amazing. Another trophy. Woohoo! Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's review. Okay, Sally. What letters? What letters? Yes, good. Big M, small m. Good. What's this? Good. Moon. Yes, amazing. Okay, one more. Oh, what's this one? N, good. Big N, small n. Very good. Nurse. Good, very good. Moon, nurse. Amazing job. Very, very well done. Woohoo! Okay, Sally, you did a great job today. Very good. One more trophy. Very well done today. Sally, I will see you next time, okay? Okay. Goodbye, Sally.